Poland is a country located in Central Europe with a rich cultural heritage and a fascinating history. It has a population of over 38 million people and covers an area of 312,696 square kilometers. One of the most interesting aspects of Poland is its history, which dates back to the 10th century. Poland has been invaded and occupied by various powers throughout its history, including the Mongols, the Teutonic Knights, and the Nazis during World War II. Despite this, Poland has managed to maintain its distinct cultural identity and is known for its beautiful architecture, traditional music, and delicious cuisine. Poland has many attractions that are popular with tourists, including the historic city of Kraków, the Tatra Mountains, and the Wieliczka salt mine. Kraków is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its stunning medieval architecture and rich cultural history. Polish cuisine is also something that shouldn't be missed. Traditional dishes include pierogi, dumplings filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables, kielbasa, sausage, and bigos, a stew made with sauerkraut and meat. Polish vodka is also renowned around the world and is enjoyed by many locals and tourists alike. Overall, Poland is a fascinating country with a rich cultural heritage and many attractions that are sure to impress visitors. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, nature, or food, there's something for everyone in Poland. Some more interesting facts about Poland. Language: the official language of Poland is Polish, which is a Slavic language. It is the second most spoken Slavic language after Russian. Religion: the majority of the population in Poland is Roman Catholic, with around 90% of the population identifying as Catholic. Music: Poland has a rich music culture, with famous classical composers such as Chopin and Penderecki. Sports: football, soccer, is the most popular sport in Poland, with the national team having achieved some notable successes over the years. Volleyball, handball, and basketball are also popular. Famous landmarks: apart from Kraków and the Tatra Mountains, Poland has several other famous landmarks, including the historic city of Gdansk, the Bieszczady Mountains, and the Masurian Lake District. Science: Poland has a strong tradition in science, with notable Polish scientists including Marie Curie, who won 2 Nobel Prizes, and Nicholas Copernicus, who formulated the theory that the Earth revolves around the Sun. Festivals: Poland has a number of interesting festivals, including the Wienki Festival, which celebrates the summer solstice, and the Pierogi Festival, which celebrates the traditional Polish dumpling. Poland has 16 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Historic Center of Warsaw, the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum, and the Malbork Castle. Lakes: Poland has over 9,000 lakes, which are popular destinations for swimming, boating, and fishing. UNESCO World Heritage Sites: Poland has 16 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Historic Center of Warsaw, the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum, and the Malbork Castle. Lakes: Poland has over 9,000 lakes, which are popular destinations for swimming, boating, and fishing. Wildlife: Poland has a rich wildlife, with animals such as European bison, wolves, lynx, and brown bears found in its forests and national parks. Cinema: Poland has a rich cinema culture, with famous directors such as Krzysztof Kieślowski and Roman Polanski, and films such as Ida and Cold War having won international acclaim. Industry: Poland is the largest economy in Central Europe, with a highly skilled workforce and a strong manufacturing sector. Famous people: apart from Marie Curie and Nicholas Copernicus, Poland has produced many other famous people, including Pope John Paul II, Frédéric Chopin, and Lech Walesa. Education: Poland has a highly developed education system, with a large number of universities and a high literacy rate. Climate: Poland has a temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons, with summers generally warm and winters cold and snowy. Currency: the currency used in Poland is the zloty, PLN. Transportation: Poland has a well-developed transportation system, with an extensive network of roads, railways, and airports connecting major cities and tourist destinations. Religion: apart from Roman Catholicism, other religions in Poland include Eastern Orthodoxy, Protestantism, Judaism, and Islam. Museums: Poland has over 100 museums, including the National Museum in Warsaw, the Wawel Royal Castle in Krakow, and the Schindler's Factory Museum in Krakow.